Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your balance on Hamster Kombat and how you can withdraw it. So basically you need to go ahead to your Telegram and go ahead to your Hamster Kombat and click on play or wherever you are using it. Now you will see here your account, and as you can see I have 15,000 coins here. And at the top there is profit per hour, so you will see both of these. So your real balance is actually 15,000, like for me it's 15,000 now, and this is your balance, and it doesn't really change unless you are doing those tasks daily. And to withdraw it, all you will have to do is click on airdrop here, click on withdrawal, connect your Ton wallet, and for example for me it's already connected. Now, if you would change your exchange, for example, I have Binance for me, but if you would change exchange, your balance still doesn't change. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.